What's up everyone? It is Thais here. So today I'll be doing my weekly maintenance routine, everything that I do midweek through my wash day. So this is usually like 4 to 5 days after wash day. This is when my hair is starting to become dry and it's time to replenish the moisture and also give my scalp a little bit of TLC. So to keep your hair in a healthy state, make sure that you are nourishing your hair in between your wash days. Never wait until wash day to take care of your hair. So this is a midweek maintenance routine. So I usually start by dampening my hair with a little bit of water using my spray bottle. So you don't have to get your hair dripping wet, but just get it damp enough so that you can easily manipulate your hair without it snagging or breaking. So now after my hair is slightly damp, it is now easy to part. So this week I will be using my Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. So Jamaican black castor oil has a lot of great benefits in there. It helps to thicken the hair, it promotes growth, it's antifungal, it helps to clean out bacteria on the scalp. So it's a very great oil. It's very thick, so be mindful of how much you are using. So to oil my scalp, I just part off sections at a time, making my scalp visible, and then I apply that oil to my scalp. So I did transfer my Jamaican black castor oil from my glass bottle to this little plastic bottle with the nozzle, since it's a bit easier to use the oil this way. So after applying that oil to my scalp, I go in with a scalp massage. So this helps to distribute the oil to places that I missed when I was applying the oil, and it also helps to stimulate my hair follicles and promote growth as well. So give yourself a nice scalp massage. It's also really relaxing to give myself one. So now it's time to move on to the length of my hair. So I'm taking small sections at a time, and I start by applying water to my hair. So I'm doing the LCO method for my midweek routine. So for the cream section, I am taking any leave-in conditioner that I have or moisturizer. So this week I'm using the Tree Naturals Rice Flour and Shea leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is moisturizing, it doesn't contain protein, so it's perfect to use for my midweek routine to moisturize and hydrate my hair. So I'm just applying that leave-in conditioner to my hair, making sure to split that small sections into even smaller sections because you don't want to miss any area of your hair. So for the oil or the sealant part of the LCO, I am using the Tree Naturals ginger butter. So this is a hair butter. This hair butter does not contain water. It is a straight sealant. So this helps to lock in the moisture from the water and the leave-in conditioner or moisturizer. So make sure that this is the last step in your moisturizing routine. So I'm just applying that hair butter to the length of my hair, making sure I do not miss any sections. And after applying those products, I move in with my comb. So for my comb, I start at the bottom and then work my way up. So I love to detangle my hair midweek through my wash week. So never wait until your hair is feeling dry to moisturize it. By then, it's probably too late and your hair is overly dehydrated. So for the final step, I immediately clump that hair together. So this lessens the airflow in between the hair and it locks in the moisture a little bit longer. So I do a regular twist and then I go in and bantu knot it. So besides your wash day and deep conditioning, moisturizing and sealing is the second most important part of your natural hair routine. This is where you make sure that your hair maintains its elasticity. This is where your hair doesn't break as much because your hair is properly hydrated and moisturized. So make sure that you have a routine like this at least midweek through your wash day. So as far as products to use, it will definitely depend on your porosity. So if you have low porosity hair, you want to use something a bit more lighter. Maybe a spray will work better, or a refresher spray, because those are a bit lighter. And if your hair is very, very thick and or high porosity, then you will get away with using like a cream like I did. So I used a lotion. The leave-in conditioner I use is a lotion consistency. It's not too thick, but it's not light and watery as well. So for your sealant, you can use an oil or you can use a butter. So if you have low porosity, you want to stick to light sealant oils over butters, and if you have high porosity, then you can get away with using a butter without making your hair feel weighed down and dry. So the amount of times you should moisturize and seal also depends on your hair porosity as well. So as we know, high porosity hair doesn't retain moisture that long, so you may have to moisturize and seal more times in a week versus low porosity hair that locks in moisture a bit longer. So this is how moisturized the back section of my hair is. I love doing this because my hair just comes out so juicy. So I'm just continuing my midweek routine, showing you guys everything I do so that you can get a full view of it.